Not much of a job today. All I've got to do is take this back wall down, because there's a garage door behind that, and I boarded this up. I think I built the frame, boarded it up, must be over 12 years ago now, 10, 12 years ago I think. But they need to start using the garage again, so I will be just taking it off really. Not much to show you, but it's a little job, shouldn't take me too long.
Press the play button.
We started one step at a time, making little interfaces for drum machines to run in time with sequencers. And everybody said, no one will ever want a drum machine to play with a sequencer. That's absurd.
Right, that is that one done. It's just come up to 11 o'clock, so not a bad little morning's work. All I've got to do now is just pop round to another job and just do a bit more painting. A couple of little touch-ups that I missed. But yeah, not a lot I could do there. Just strip it back to what it was. I'm going to leave them frames in. And that's it. It's just back to a garage again then. Leaving all the rubbish there, because I can't really get rid of that without cost to the customer. So it might be easier for them to just put it in the car and take it to the local tip. Because you know what it's like for us in the van trying to get rid of this stuff. You know, they'll look at that and they'll, well, no, you've been working. It's not from your house, it's from jobs. Which it obviously is, so I'm not even going to attempt it. So I've just said to the customer, you'll have to get rid of the rubbish. So that's that. Not much to say today, but if you do like it, give us a thumbs up. Even better if you give us a subscribe. I'd love to see them going up. So this is tomorrow's little mission. Just trying to repair the back of this wall here where it's had a little front extension done, but I don't think the builder got round to sort of patching up the render. So I shall have some good fun trying to reach that, I should imagine. So join me tomorrow.